Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to set password in folder. Friends, sometimes we have some important files which we don't want someone to open. So to make our file password protected, we need to download a software named WinRay. Here click on downloads. In downloads, you have option to download 32-bit or 64-bit as per your Windows installed on your PC. It's a small software of 3.1 MB. Now after downloading, click on open. Click on install. Click on OK. After reading it, click on done. Now WinRay software is installed on our computer. Now suppose these two files have some important information which I want to protect. So first I need to make a new folder. And move these files to this folder. Now right click on this folder and click on add to archive. Here click on set password. Re-enter your password. After entering your new password, click on OK. Click on OK again. Now you need to delete this folder. Now this folder is protected with a password, so no one can open files in this folder without entering password. So friends, as you can see, we can see files in the folder, but we cannot open it without entering password. So I need to enter password which I have set for the folder to open this file. So friends, like this you can very easily set password to your folder having important files and data. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.